In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Klaviyo flow trigger in just 5 minutes. Before we get started, ensure that you've already logged into your Klaviyo account. If not, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate directly to the Flows tab. This is your command center for managing all the automations and sequences you have going on in your account. Here you'll see a list of all the flows you've set up. Locate the specific flow you want to make changes to. It's important to ensure that you're targeting the correct one, so take a moment to double check that you've got the right flow in your sights. Now, move your attention to the right side of that specific flow. You'll notice a set of 3 dots, typically signifying more options available to you. This Edit Flow button is your gateway to making changes. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options for editing your flow. What you're looking for in this case is the clone option. By cloning the flow, you're essentially creating a duplicate of the existing setup, which allows you to make changes without affecting the original. Once you've selected clone, a prompt may appear to continue, so just click continue to proceed. At this point, a new window, the Clone Flow modal, will pop up. Here you have the opportunity to select a new trigger for your flow. You'll see a trigger drop down menu, and this is where the magic happens. Carefully select the new trigger you wish to use for this flow. This is a crucial step because it determines when and how this specific flow will be activated, so make sure you choose the option that best fits your needs. Once you've set the new trigger, you can also take this opportunity to alter the name of the flow. You may want to do this to differentiate it from the original one, or simply to reflect the changes you've made. Additionally, this is a good time to scan through and see if any other edits are necessary or desired, whether it's tweaking a message, changing a condition, or updating the sequence. After you've finalized your changes and are satisfied with your new cloned flow, it's time to save it. This confirms that all your edits are securely stored and the new trigger is set to go live. By following these steps, your Klaviyo flow is now updated and ready to roll with the new trigger. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy automating on Klaviyo.